Okay, we got the Waco today in the yard. UMX Waco, she's all ready. Here we go. She flies nice. Ooh, we got a little wind today. It's about a 5-mile-an-hour wind.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
It's a great plane. Nice. Very nice plane to fly. A little wind over there.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Really nice looking.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, the wind's picking up. Yeah, you can see her moving it around. Whoa, real windy now. Damn.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Ooh, you can see the wind pushing it all over. Ooh. Wee-oh, it's windy. Whoa, look, it's flying sideways. Ooh.
10, 9,
Look at that.
2,
Wow, whipped it right around the wind. Okay, we're gonna come in for a landing. It's too windy for this little bird, but she does fly great. Try and get a landing. Ooh, and it's down. Too windy. I really like this plane a lot. No damage to her. Yeah, look at the wind. Flag is really blowing. What a great little plane. That's the UMX Waco. Today in the yard. Second biplane I have. I still love flying the pits. It's one of the best. Alright, have a nice day. See you on next plane.